Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on send read receipts on your accounts on X, Twitter, easy and quick. First click here, now click here, and here we'll find it, send read receipts. Just click on it like this and it will be turned on, and that's how to turn on send read receipts on your account on X, Twitter, easy and quick. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.